Hey people, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the fourth episode of Tech Set Go. So there is hardly anyone who had not heard about NFT gaming. Once games were only fun. Now anybody with an internet connection and a crypto wallet may make money by playing their favorite online games. That's how NFT gaming has been trending since the very start. NFT gaming is known by several other names like including DeFi gaming, crypto gaming, blockchain gaming and so on. Note one industry that dominates the creation of the blockchain games and that's NFTs. If this is your first encounter with this word, don't you worry about it. We will try our best to explain you out the details, like everything you need to know NFT gaming. So first, let's understand what is NFT gaming. If we can say that NFT is that stands for non-fungible token. This is one kind of a cryptocurrency asset. NFTs differ. It may be an album, a work of crypto art, or even a unique tweet. It cannot be copied since it is non-fungible. The information for each NFT will be unique. These NFTs are incorporated into a used throughout the player's experience in NFT gaming. As a result, NFTs might be represented as avatars, collectible characters, accessories, and much more. These digital things might then be traded, owned, or swapped by users. NFT games are often accessed using a web browser, just like other decentralized apps. The games are made of a set of smart contracts produced by developers that describe the rules of the NFTs utilized in the game. So, what makes NFTs different from the traditional games? If we will just speak in a simple language, then traditional gaming is typically divided into three categories, that is console, mobile, and PC. Each needs users to purchase costly gaming equipment and pay for the titles they desire. This means that the bulk of ordinary games monetary workflows in only one direction, that is to the developers. There is no certain central entity regulating the item supply or mandating how it is used. This means no loot boxes. Your wallet will not be drained by a game that's continuously asks you to pay to play. NFT games provide a far broader monetary system with value flowing to creators, players, and between players. If we will just keep it more simple, then many play to earn games allow players to sell their NFT assets. So basically, and even receive crypto prices for completing tasks, rent out their assets, and do other things. This is one of the reasons why business have grown in popularity. Their platform allows users to customize and create their avatars in game and in player of the way use NFTs. So how does an NFT game work? Player involvement is emphasized in the NFT games. As a consequence, you may begin working on your avatar. It sells special clothes and skins that function as NFTs. NFTs are also included in the game and game objects. To test out new goods, you can exchange or trade with other players. Bingo. But the question is, how are NFTs used in the games? To put it simply, game developers apply smart contracts to integrate NFTs into a game environment. It also specifies some ground rules for the game. There is no need to be concerned if you are unsure what a smart contract is. Smart contracts are simple bits of self-executing code that are stored on a blockchain network. From an investor's point of view, the investor gets really good benefits out of it, as well as the gamers who play the game. That is indirectly the same. So yeah, both investors and gamers earn from NFT games. When compared to traditional games, NFT game provide publishers with several benefits. That includes attracting venture money, generates revenue, mergers and takeovers, and even it is very safe nowadays. Like the NFT game offers participants a very safe environment. Blockchain technology is complex with strong security and reliability. because blockchain technology protects the gamer's wallet with an unbreakable layer of cutting edge technology. A player could be confident that his digital assets are safe. Even it provides app store earning, even it provides winning venture capital, and even it encourages many NFT gaming solutions. Say for example, gamification of NFT development can aid in scaling of pre-existing game systems. It will not only provide new revenue streams, but it will also attract new users to the site. Now, if speak about from the player's perspective, then during the COVID-19 outbreak, crypto NFT games became immensely popular, and many company owners resorted to them and earn for a living. As a result, the following are some significant advantages for game players. The first is transparency. The higher the value of an NFT, the rarer it is. The second is collection of NFT gaming assets. NFTs are often sold as a bundle, and there are several different dynamic and visually appealing game components. The third is control. NFT games allows players to have total control over their assets. The fourth is investment. Gaming has always been a fun activity, and for some, it has even become a sport. As a result, it used to benefit exclusively professional players. The next point is, it is like a profession only. Nothing wrong with it. Like many participants saw the market potential and changed NFT trading from a passion to a full-fledged real job. The last point is, it believes in verified ownership. Using blockchain technology, all information about gaming NFTs are kept in their code. Decoding an NFT can provide information about its creator and the history of its owner. It goes without saying that with pros, even cons tend to knock the door. Same goes with the NFT. There are many cons out there. We want to reveal some of them with you. The first is the majority of existing NFT games use the Ethereum blockchain, which is known for its slow and expensive transaction. This has a huge influence on both in-game activities and the purchase and sale of one-of-a-kind items outside of the games. There are, of course, alternatives, but they are an exception at the moment. The second point is the opportunity for users to pool their funds into a single expensive asset, as well as the individual access to in-game tokens that equate to real-world assets might lead to market fraud and other violations of the security rules. Also, the point is people may spend more time attempting to sell each other things than playing the games. So yeah, it has many cons as well with pros. Definitely the cons are lesser than the pros. So yeah. If we speak about the future of the NFT, then significant advancements have always occurred in the world of gaming and computer-produced reality. The arrival of arcade machines, the Plato network system, the LAN party, and now NFTs, which employ blockchain technology to uniquely identify digital things and enable certification of their validity and rarity, have all permanently transformed the way people play games and connect. NFTs are already gaining popularity in gaming business, and some promising titles may soon release digital assets on the blockchain. As additional developers build NFT games, players will have the opportunity to possess unique objects that they may trade or sell in future. So, we have already given you a comprehensive detail on NFT gaming. If you are looking for a team of experts who can develop NFT games for you, then what you need to do is just browse www.mindinventory.com and contact the team full of experts now. So I hope you all enjoyed listening to this podcast. Let's meet in the next episode. Till then, keep it on.